Now we'll never get it.
Well, there's your chance.
I'm not that tall.
Yes, you are. You're as tall as you want yourself. Look.
Oh, please don't poop. I can't reach up there.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
This is your chance. It's your time to shine.
Stop it,
Look, he's behind the TV now. He's easy to catch. You almost had it.
I don't want to kill it.
You're not going to catch it if it's in your hands and that's what scares you.
But I tried to catch it and then its arms... Oh. Crap! It's fun to stay there.
This is your chance. You can lean over from the bed. Ooh. That thing's got to be hurting.
I feel bad for him.
Really?
I think it's hurt.
Well, yeah, because you've been smashing it into the wall.
I haven't. It has. Dan.
I need to get good video.
Oh, you're videotaping this?
Here comes the hand.
I can't reach down there.
Oh my. Get something to stand on.
Okay.
You can reach from now. Here you go. Stand on my... Here, he's flying away. Here, stand on my leg. Come on, Sarah. You can get on me. Just go for it. Oh, come on. Look at that. Oh, he just fell. He took something
He's
down
in
with
there.
him. No, he's not. He's over here. Sarah, I don't know where you thought he was.
I thought he was in this.
Oh, he's on the ground. He's over here. He's under the... Oh.
Gosh.
Where'd he go that time? Oh, there he is.
I have a headache. I'm not gonna hurt you, bird.
Are you killing him?
No, but this is weird. Can you open the door for me? I'm sorry, bird. Ew, ew, ew. Hurry! I have a headache. Shut the door.
I think you might have hurt that